لقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last few episodes we started the Ahkam al-Mudhud, the rules of mad, and we found out that in the whole of the Quran, beginning to the end, there are only 9 different types of mads, and we covered 8 of them. Today we're going to do the last one, which is Al-Mad Al-Laazim, the compulsory mad. We're going to find out what this mad is, how many different categories it has, and how many counts. Now have a look at the board. I've written here the 3 letters of mad. Alif Sakin, obviously, we know that Alif Sakin preceded by letter that has a fatha, Waw Sakin preceded by letter that has a dhamma, or Ya Sakin preceded by letter that has a kasra. Whenever we find the huruf al-mad, these are the stretching, the letters for stretching, the huruf al-mad, and what follows that is a letter that has a sukun, sakina, then we do mad al-lazim. And mad al-lazim is of 2 categories. Number 1 is kalimi, which means a word is inside the word, and the other one, the second category, is harfi, inside the letter. And kalimi is broken into 2 parts, okay? Heavy and light, and harfi, heavy and light. Inshallah, we're going to explain what we mean by this. So both of them, they have subcategories, heavy and light, heavy and light. Now, kalimi inside the word, when is it heavy, when is it light? Okay. Whenever we have a huruf, whenever we have a word, and inside that word, there's a harf mad, alif here, preceded by letters of sakina, and we said next to it follows a sukun. But here, next to it actually follows a shadda. And a shadda, in reality, just means 2 letters that have joined together. So, qaf with a shadda that has a fatha is actually first qaf with a sukun, second qaf with the fatha. This sukun qaf merges onto the other one. So this merging, this is what makes it heavy. So this is, when it has a shadda, this is called a heavy kalim, okay? This is mad lazim, which is inside the word, which is heavy. Why? Because of the shadda, because of the merging of the sukun to another letter. So this type of mad will be 6 counts. So al-haqqah. Again, al-haqqah. And when we stretch it near the end, we make a little jump. Al-haqqah. Yeah? So this is 6 counts. Next example with waw sakin preceded by letter that the dhamma and follows the letter that has a sukun. Here, the letter that has a sukun is actually shadda. Shadda, in reality, we said there's 2 letters. When noon has a shadda with a kasra, it actually means the first noon has a sukun, second noon has a kasra. So we're going to stretch this word to 6 counts. So ta'muruni, ta'muruni, and so on. So this is heavy. When it's light, it's actually this rule itself, which is letters of mad follows a letter that has a sukun. Only 1 word inside the Quran, the word al-an, which appears twice in the same surah. So Yunus does it have this shape, okay? So most of them, with the shadda, only 1 place in the Quran, 1 word inside the Quran, which appears twice, will you find the letter of mad preceded by a letter of mad, like alif, preceded by fatha, and the following letter is lam sakina or a sukun, is only 1 place in the Quran. So 6 harakas also. Al-an, al-an. So 6 counts. All the ulama, they agree that what's been transmitted from the Prophet ﷺ is that we do 6. Can we do more than 6? Can we say غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ? Can we do more than 6? Okay, we don't know where we're going. Can we do more than 6? We cannot do more than 6. Can we do less than 6? وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ? We cannot do that. We have to do 6 counts. When we're doing the mads, all the different types of mad, whether it's mad jaiz munfasil or wajib muttasil or this, we should not shake the mads. We cannot say وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. Only straight. وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. So al-haqqa bi al-haqqa and not al-haqqa. We cannot stretch the mudud. Not just mad lazim, the other types of mad. Even in arid, the sukun towards the end. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. No, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. They should not be shaken of the mad. And we cannot do more than the actual count. So here we have mad al-kalimi, mad al-harfi. This is just in the huruf al-muqatta'at, the broken letters. There are 14 letters in the Arabic language, which are called the huruf al-muqatta'a, the 14 broken letters. These letters, sometimes they appear by themselves, like noon or qaf or sad. Sometimes they appear together as 2 letters, like ta, ha, yasin. Sometimes 3 letters, alif, lam, mim, alif, lam, ra. Sometimes 4 letters, alif, lam, mim, sad, and so on. These letters here, they pronounce the names of the letters. We don't recite the word. For example, there's alif, lam, mim. We don't pronounce the word alam, but we pronounce the names of the letters. So alif, lam, mim. When there's ha in the mim, we don't say ham, but ha, mim, and so on. So these huruf al-muqatta'at, the there are 14 of them. They come in 14 different ways. Okay, alif lam mim sad, alif lam mim ra, alif lam, and so on. So 14 letters come in 14 different ways. There are 4 groups of them. So number 1 is the alif. Whenever we see alif, we don't make any stretching. So alif lam mim, the first alif, we don't make any stretching. Second group of categories, hayya tahur, ha ya ta, ha and ra. We stretch it to 2 counts. So hamim, for example, the ha part, 2 counts. Hamim, hamim, yasin, yasin. The first part, the ya, or the ha, taha, and so on, 2 counts. سنقص لكم, there's the third category, sin, nun, qaf, sad, lam, kaf, and mim. These letters we stretch to 6 counts. So yasin, the ya part 2 count, yeah, but the sin part 6 count. So yasin. The letter Nun is in the Quran, the surah Nun. The letter Nun is after surah, so Nun, Qaf, and so on. One letter, which is Ayn here in the 4th category, it can be stretched to 4 or 6 counts. It appears twice. Hamim, Ayn, Sin, Qaf, or Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ayn, Sad. You can do 2 options, 4 or 6. Now, let's go to the harfi now. Harfi can be heavy, or it can be heavy or light, which is very similar to this. Heavy is when we're doing a shadda, when we're merging onto another letter. So if we say, for example, ta, sin, mim, what are we doing? The ta, we're actually pronouncing 2 letters, ta and then alif, because we're stretching ta. Because when we're stretching with fatha, with a letter with a fatha and alif, we're putting an alif. Sin is actually 3 letters. The si, the sin, then the yas for stretching si, then there's a noon here, sin. Then there's mim here, mim is 3 letters, mim, ya, mim, mim. So these letters, whenever noon sakina follows a mim in tajweed, we merge the noon into the mim. So we actually say sim mim, sim mim. We're doing merging, just like here. So whenever we're merging, this is called heavy. When we don't merge, like yasin, hamim, taha, and so on, the other letters of the huruf mad, we don't do this comes under light. So heavy is when the shadda, there's merging, just similar to this one. And light when there's no merging, which is similar to this one basically. So today we looked at the mad al-Laazim, what makes mad lazim, and the different categories and how many counts. Inshallah, in the next lesson we're going to start the makharij al-huruf, articulation points of the letters in the Arabic alphabets. Until then, jazakumullah khairan, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.